that, you know, growing up, we always would go to Waiahole Poi Factory. That's been there on in Waiahole since 1905, and everybody loves their Hawaiian food. But we got a brand new location here at Windward Mall, and to tell us all about this brand new location is my dear friend and classmate, Liko Ho, and Chef Tony. So tell us about this brand new location here at the mall.
Yeah, so at our original location, we started to get a little bit bigger and maxed out over there, and so we want to grow, and so we decided to open up a second location here at the mall. We've been here since October of last year, and so we're almost about a half a year into the new location. It's been a big step for our team, just kind of opening up a second location. And I'll let Tony talk a little bit about, what are some of the benefits of being here at the mall?
I think for us here at the mall, one of the things we notice, and we're also hearing from people that come here, is one, the kupuna. We're so glad you guys close to us now. We love your food, but we don't like drive all the way down. Or we love you guys' food, but we don't like walkers across the gravel.
Right.
So one of the benefits here is indoor seating. We got plenty tables for the kupuna, easy access, flat ground. And just a lot of the Kāneʻohe guys, to us, we're like, oh, what do you mean? Drive all the way down to Waiahole. It's right there. But for a lot of people, that is a little bit of a drive. And so for a lot of our customers, that's some of the feedback we're getting is, thank you guys for opening up here. It's so close to where we live now. People can stop in for dinner right before home. It's not out of the way. That's one of the benefits that we're getting a lot of expression from the customers for.
And you guys' food is always so delicious. So what are some of the signature meal that you guys have in the original plates that you guys brought over here?
So basically, all of the foods that we offer at our original location, we also offer at the mall here, with the exception of maybe some of the drinks, Yeah,
a few of the drinks, the mamaki tea and the limeade is typically Waiahole side. Over here, we do have fountain drinks. The Hawaiian Sun is not here as well. But for the most part, we brought the identity of Waiahole Poi Factory here to offer to the Kāneʻohe community.
So we got our classic squid luau, we got the kalua pig, lau lau, beef luau, and of course, we cannot come to Kāneʻohe and Heiia without the Sweet Lady of Waiahole. So that's also here.
That's my favorite. I can't wait to have that after.
Sounds
and
good.
There has been so much torrential rain and flooding, right? How have you folks been able to sustain after all of this?
Yeah, so we just recently had a big flood event, and really big mahalo to our Waiahole Poi Factory team. The next day we got in there and we basically cleaned out everything and got everything ready to operate again. So we're right there and back in action. To me, it's an excellent example of our olelo noeau, he li'ikaina, he kauake kanaka, which means that the land is the chief and we as the people are the servants to the land. So, we don't tell the land what to do. The land speaks, we listen, and we make our adjustments according to that.
So, brother, besides this brand new location here at Windward Mall, you guys are also constructing an art gallery at the original site. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we're getting excited. We're looking at opening up in early summer. And we're going to open up what we're calling a country store / gift shop. And we're focusing on arts and also some of our Waiahole Poi Factory merchandise. The arts really was why my parents, Calvin and Charlene Ho, first bought the lease for the Poi Factory in 1971. And they ran it as an art gallery for about 10 years. And then it went through a couple of different lives and finally ended up with what it is now. My daughter is actually in art school. And she's right now in Georgia, but going to be transferring back to UH, and so she'll be in town. We're getting excited about working in her artwork into what we're doing at the Poi Factory.
Amazing, and of course, happy 6 months. Where do you see you folks in about 6 years?
6 years, oh man.
Having other locations?
Yeah, we definitely, have plans to start opening up at least one more location, on this island, and we'll see, what the future brings.
Okay, so everybody, come and check it out. Waiahole Poi Factory here at the Windward Mall in Kāneʻohe, and it's time to go and munch. I'm so excited. But where can people find you folks?
We're on Instagram, Facebook. Of course, you can email us anytime. It's waiholepoi@gmail, not Waiahole Poi Factory. There's a distinction there. But we're on those things, and you can reach us anytime.
Come and check it out, Waiahole Poi Factory.
Mahalo.